Hey everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at this problematic switch. I'm going to disassemble it to see how it works and try to clean the contacts. First, let's carefully separate the main parts of the switch. Here's the internal mechanism with the contacts. I'll use a scalpel to gently scrape and clean the contact surfaces. They look a bit oxidized. This should improve the electrical connection. Making sure to clean all the contact points thoroughly. The small metal pieces inside are what make the connection when the switch is pressed. Now let's look at the spring mechanism. I'm gonna gently stretch this spring a little. This can sometimes make the switch action smoother. Just a little bit, don't overdo it. Now it's time to reassemble the switch. Carefully putting all the cleaned parts back together in the correct order. And there we have it, the switch is reassembled and cleaned. Hopefully this solves the problem. Thanks for the viewing, like and subscribe.